Experiencing mobile data problems on your US mobile device? Don't worry, you're not alone. Since 2024, data connectivity issues have risen, especially with the 5G rollout. This map shows the current state of mobile coverage in the United States, highlighting the expansion of 5G networks alongside traditional LTE coverage. This segment explains quick fixes like APN settings, 5G LTE toggling, and network resets. APN settings control how your device connects to your carrier's data network. 5G LTE toggling allows you to switch between network types for better connectivity. Network reset clears all network settings to resolve configuration issues. These methods help resolve misconfigurations between your device, carrier network, and SIM card. We'll cover each fix, providing steps to get you back online. Let's dive into fixing your mobile data. First, APN settings. This is your device's gateway to the carrier's data network. Incorrect settings block data access. Find APN settings under Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, APN. Input your carrier's specific values found on their website. Next, the 5G LTE toggle. Switching between network modes resolves compatibility issues. 5G offers faster speeds but narrower coverage. Toggle to LTE for stability in weak signal areas via Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, preferred network type. Finally, the network reset. This clears all network data. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, Android, or General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings, iOS. Remember to restart your device after each adjustment.